I'm a circle, round and bright, rolling smoothly left and right. No corners, no straight line. I spin and roll, I feel just fine. I'm a square, nice and neat, four same sides and four small feet. Boxy, steady, side by side. I stack and stand with shapey pride. I'm a triangle, 1, 2, 3, three straight sides, count with me. I'm sharp and pointy, look at me go, like a mountain or an arrow. I'm a rectangle, tall or wide, too short, too long on every side. I'm doors and books and TV screens. I'm in so many daily scenes. I'm an oval, stretched out tight, like a circle, but not quite right. I'm an egg or balloon in the sky. See me wobble as I fly. I'm a star, I shine so bright, 5 sharp points and full of light. You'll see me twinkle